The U.S. State Department has given the nod to Norway's request of buying MH-60R helicopters for approximately $1 billion. The Defense Security Cooperation Agency delivered the required certification notifying Congress of this possible sale today. The sale includes 6 MH-60R helicopters, engines, radios, sonars, identification and countermeasures equipment, and other support and logistics services. Lockheed Martin's MH-60R Seahawk has a maximum speed of 267 km per hour and a cruising speed of 234 km per hour. It has a service ceiling of 3.4 kilometers and a range of 454 kilometers. Its endurance is up to 3 hours and 30 minutes, and it can carry up to 5 passengers. The new helicopters, to be based at Bardufus Air Station in northern Norway, are likely to be used by the Norwegian Coast Guard for anti-submarine warfare (ASW) operations. Last month, Oslo said it will buy 6 Seahawks to replace some of its Airbus NH-90 aircraft, months after terminating a contract with NH Industries for the latter rotorcraft on account of delivery delays.